Dear students, dear students, we are discussing three lessons in the 10th class social studies. I completed already first lesson, second lesson, third lesson, and also in history one lesson. Now this is the fourth lesson of our 10th class social studies. What is that fourth lesson? Climate of India. What is that? Climate of India. So recently we are experiencing sudden droughts, sudden rainfalls. That rainfall is also recording heavy rainfalls. It causes many floods. These floods are damaging crops also, especially cotton crops in our coastal region states, for example our Andhra Pradesh. Why it is happening in the world or even in India? In some states receiving low temperature, some states receiving high temperature. For example Rajasthan, it receiving high temperature. Why it is receiving high temperature? For example coastal area Chennai, that place, that means Tamil Nadu area, it receiving moderate temperature. Why it is receiving moderate temperature? Next one, if you go to north, Jammu and Kashmir, it is receiving low temperature. Why it is receiving low temperature, that is particular area? What are the main factors of these all? So now look at, even the scientists also be wondering, that means confusing, why it is happening. Sudden droughts, sudden rainfall, that rainfall is also heavy rainfall, etc. So if you carefully observe, the weather is changing, the climate is changing frequently. So that is the main confusion of scientists. Why it is happening? What are the main causes for high temperature or sudden rainfall in our areas? So now look at, even in Hyderabad, freak weather, intermittent showers occurred in Hyderabad. Next one, in 2013, Ongole, we know Ongole is our AP state city, one of the city of our AP state. So in Ongole, only one day it receives 341 centimeter rainfall occurred. It is one third of state annual rainfall. Actually, it receives abundant rainfall. So when it receives abundant rainfall, almost 75% of our tanks filled with water. Of course, it is a welcoming situation. It is a good situation, but only one day or only a few days, this much rainfall occurring is very dangerous according to the scientists. Now listen, Ongole 341. It is 1/3 of state annual rainfall. State annual rainfall. Next one, what is the meaning of weather and climate? So we are watching television news channels. After end of the news channel news, the man or woman will say, now weather report. So they will say Delhi temperature, minimum temperature so and so, maximum temperature. Next to Vijayawada temperature, maximum temperature, minimum temperature. Hyderabad temperature, maximum temperature, minimum temperature. So they are telling weather reports. So what is the meaning or what is the difference between weather and climate? So here weather means a particular area time refers. It is a short period information about the particular area, about rainfall, temperature, humidity, wind, condition, etc. It is a short period information. Weather means short period information in a particular area. That is called weather. Next, what is climate? Climate means in a large area, not only a short period, many years information during 30 years or between 30 years or 20 years. What rainfall occurring? How much centimeters rainfall occurring in that particular area? What is the wind condition? What is the climatic condition? Or what is the position of cold or hot conditions in that area? That is called climate. It is many years information. Climate means many years information. Weather is short period information. That is the difference between weather and climate. So now listen, what are the main elements of this climate? What are the main elements of this climate? First one is temperature. Next one is atmospheric pressure. Next one is humidity. Next one is precipitation. Precipitation means falling snow, hailstorms, rainwater, etc. So these are the elements of weather and climate conditions. What are the elements? Temperature, pressure, that means atmospheric pressure, humidity and precipitation. So these are the elements of the climate and weather conditions. Next, how can we show in the textbook or paper these information? High temperature, low temperature, minimum temperature, maximum temperature, rainfall, how many centigrade, how many millimeters rainfall occurred, or how many centimeters rainfall occurred in particular area. So we will show this all information in the papers, that is called climograph. What is this? Climograph. So using pictures. So with that pictures we can know, yeah, this Vijayawada condition is so and so. Hyderabad's climate condition is so and so, etc. Next one, factors influencing climate and weather. Next one is factor influencing climate and weather. Before I explain this one, I want to explain to you this climograph. One of the climograph. In your textbook, 4 cities climograph information is there. 4 cities temperature or climate information is there. So this is one of that one. This is the information of New Delhi. What is this? New Delhi information. So we know the location of New Delhi. 28.6 degrees north to 77.2 degrees east. So this is the location of New Delhi in the globe, in India. So next listen. This is the climograph. It is the information about New Delhi. What is that? New Delhi. Now look at here. I wrote this is bar graph. What it is called? Bar graph. So if you look this bar graph, we must know about the rainfall condition. Look this one. Mean maximum temperature, mean minimum temperature, mean rainfall, etc. So mean maximum temperature, mean minimum temperature, mean rainfall. Now look at, these are the months: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. That means 12 months information in the New Delhi. 12 months information in the New Delhi. Now listen, how much temperature recorded in January to December? How much minimum temperature, maximum temperature? Next one, how much rainfall occurred, millimeters or centimeters, in this New Delhi? For example, look at this one, rainfall, millimeters. This is, look at temperature, centigrade. This is temperature centigrade. This is temperature centigrade. Look at this, boys. So this is minimum temperature, this is maximum temperature. So if you observe, the maximum temperature occurred in May month. Minimum temperature occurred in December month, even in January month also. December month and also January. Look at, this is the maximum temperature. This is the minimum temperature. Now look at, this is the rainfall information. This is the rainfall information. This is the rainfall information. So look at, this is the rainfall information. 0, 50, 100, 150, 200, 250. Next to here, temperature. Look this, 0, 5 degrees temperature, 10 degrees temperature, 15 degrees, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, etc. So now look at here January month. So here January month, the rainfall almost to 0 below. Next to February, March also, April, May also. But in June month, rainfall occurring above 0. That means a few millimeters rainfall occurring in June month in New Delhi. Next one, July month. Now look at July month. So almost how many millimeters rainfall occurring in July month? I think 130 millimeters rainfall occurring in July. Next one, August month. So August month occurring most majority 150 above millimeters rainfall occurring in August month in New Delhi. So that is occurring. Next one, August after September. Even September also the rainfall receiving, I think 90 millimeters rainfall occurring in August month, September month in New Delhi. So this is an approximation. Actually, it is approximation. Now, after this lesson explanation, you look in your textbook. 4 plymograph pictures are there. This is one of the city, New Delhi. Another 3 cities information also there. Once you observe, first you observe this one, mean maximum temperature, next to mean minimum temperature, next to rainfall millimeters. Now look at page number 45. So this is New Delhi. Next one is Leh in India. Next one is Jaipur. Next one is Chennai. Chennai, Jaipur, Leh and New Delhi. So I already drawn about the information of New Delhi information. So look at this one. Minimum temperature. Now look at, this is the minimum temperature. Now here you observe December month it received almost below 0 degree temperature. Next here January also. Next, when it is, what is the minimum temperature of June month? So this is the minimum temperature. So temperature indication is here. So these are the temperature indication. These are the rainfall information. So I said already there are rainfall information. Minimum temperature, maximum temperature. Next one, look at students. Factors influencing climate and weather. So I said some areas receiving high temperature, some areas receiving low temperature. Even our country in some states, for example Rajasthan, the temperature is different than Jammu and Kashmir. For example Chennai, that means Tamil Nadu. Now listen, what are the factors influencing? Latitude, land-water relationship, relief. Next to fourth one is upper air circulation. So these 4 are the main factors of climate and weather condition. So these four are the main factors. I repeat: latitude, land-water relationship, relief, upper air circulation. So I will explain this one later. Now, once again, look at this point. Climate of India. Ongole receives 341 millimeters. It is 1/3 of state annual rainfall. 75% of tanks full in 2030. This is the information of 2013. So that's this.
Conclusion. Conclusion.
Thank you, students. Tomorrow we will discuss the remaining lesson.